Hey guys, it's me Rio, and again, and I watched this guy called Hon Jazz. Got a big shout out to him because he's just got me interested into this thing. I've got a habit of doing it now. It makes human car sounds. Now I've been practicing them myself. Please don't hate in the comment. I know I'm pretty rubbish at it. He's a lot better, but I'm going to be showing you them on my voice recorder. So let's get into it. Right. Do the McLaren P1 first.
McLaren P1, made by Rio, the car person.
Sorry about that. That was the McLaren P1. Let's try out the Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Sorry about the way I said it, I don't know what I was doing. Now let's hear my new Ferrari LaFerrari.
Ferrari LaFerrari, let's go.
I made this not long ago, like 5 minutes ago, for this video. Hope you enjoy it all. Now, this is my first ever one that I made. It's the Lamborghini. Sounds pretty dull, doesn't it? Now let me make one just now. Comment in the comment section what you want this car to be. I'll do one right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1.